I'm scanning the galaxy for signs of hostile anti-Martian activity. Ooh, isn't that delightful?
I'm ordering an armada of Earth's mightiest warships to travel to the planet Mars.
Computer, locate the source of contamination.
Blue Squadron will bombard Mars with photon incendiary torpedoes, while I, Dark Dodgers in the third dimension, leap down to Mars and plant the cosmic disintegrator, which will blow the planet into subatomic space dust.
Plots to blow Mars into subatomic space dust make me very angry. Very angry indeed.
K9, report notice, sir.
K9, I have an urgent assignment for you. Capture this Earth creature and bring him to Mars. Summon the maggot. We'll just see who will be blown into subatomic space dust.
Soldiers of United Earth, you hold the fate of our planet in your hands. The fate of planet Earth hangs in the balance, waiting for the slightest tap to tip that balance. Oh, yes. An actor of my caliber reduced to making low-budget movies, while right next door, some other talented hack is riding the big bucks to fame and fortune. Huh? Not him. Anyone but him. That should be my name up there. I should be starring in that big-budget epic. Self-promotion goes a long way in this. Great costume! Now this is the kind of picture that can make them star. Excellent design, very realistic. Say, what's this button for? Side space cadet. Hey, who's the star of this picture anyways? Look, Ma, no license. Watch it, fly boy. One fly, one fly. Wow! What a ride! So back what you got here, bub. Take me to the director. What an honor it is to meet you. What an honor it is to meet you.
Adjust interdimensional quark transponder. Reverse Google Fairness 1 degree. What the?
Hey! What an honor it is to meet me, huh? Let's talk turkey, bub. You need me. This picture needs me. You better prepare something special for a star of my caliber.
K9, prepare the Illudium Pew 38-dimensional disintegrator.
Now that's what I call a prop!
Don't try your double talk on me, Earth creature.
Oh, is it time for my scene? What's the action?
We're going to disintegrate you.
Ah, disintegrate. Yes. Where's my mark?
Stand there, Earthling. Ready, K9?
Hey, is this war normal?
Fire! This Earth creature is more cunning than he appears.
Cunning? Of course I'm cunning. After all, I'm the Dodgers in the All right, who forgot to call for the stunt double?
Fire! Prepare to meet my army, Dodgers.
You call that an army?
My army of instant.
I'm so scared of this weeny army. What do you think you are? Real Martian?
We are.
Mother?
Capture the Earth creature!
Get me off this planet! Come on. Whoa! Take one more step and I'll blast you! I bruise easily.
Just wait till I draw my disintegrating pistol. Aha! You can't escape me, Doctor! After them, K9! Major? K9! It is Gluteus Maximus, clandestine commander of the Martian Fifth Column.
Seems the little black duck has gained an unwitting advantage. Greetings, underling. Hand me that sterling bit of earthling accoutrement. Not yet, stupid. We got him going. Prepare to unveil the rest of my plan for world conquest, Martian inferiors.
Oh, goody! I love plans for world conquest. Don't you, K9?
Plant the cosmic disintegrator, which will blow the planet into subatomic space stuff. After all, I'm Dodgers! Oops, I mean, Gluteus Maximus from the third dimension! Prepare for departure!
Sir, shall I drive?
What? I'm in control here! Today we conquer the universe! Tomorrow, Hollywood!
Well, folks, we hope you enjoyed the filming today. Just another reminder to please remain seated as we can only exit one row at a time. So starting with the front row, please exit out the doors to your left. Be sure to place your 3D glasses in those blue boxes provided.